What's good, Cryptoyang gang? It's your boy Cryptoyang right here on the second video. First video had a watermark. I went ahead and got a new program. This one has a watermark too, but whatever. Anyway, so what I'm going to talk about this time is Lendconnect. Okay, it's a lending platform. You can do your research on it. Do your own research. I'm just going to talk about it. All right, so Lendconnect is something like Davorcoin or like I hate to mention it, but bitconnect. Bitconnect, they lasted a while before they disappeared. Davorcoin seems like they'll be here for another year, maybe. You never know what happens next year. But and Lendconnect is a new one that seems like it's promising. I mean, its growth is ridiculous. There's a lot of members, a lot of people on the dashboard now. I think they reached almost 50,000 people now. So this is turning heads. You got Lendconnect. LCT is the coin name, or the coin abbreviation. $9.70 currently. It's up 45% today. As you can see, I think they were under $1 in ICO. Came out at $3, shot up to $14, shot up again. This was their high at $40.24. So even if you put $1 into the ICO, that's 40 times your money. At that point, you could have either sold your LCT and made 40 times your investment, or you could have put in a loan. Now, the loan is what I'm here to talk about. The lending is awesome. With Davorcoin, you make somewhere around the mid about 1.5% or less a day. Sometimes it might be more, but it's always been less than 2% from what I've seen. Okay, with Lendconnect. Oh, by the way, look at Lendconnect's total supply, 6.5 million. That's low. That's a good thing. That means this price can always go up, and it won't be, Anyway, so here's the graph. That's the graph. Same, all same as what I just showed you. And this is your dashboard. Okay. So Lendconnect is, they were paying 5% for a long time. 5% a day. For every for every $100 you had in loans, you made $5 a day for a while. They finally ended that. Now it's at 2.0, 2.2, 2.1, 2.4%. I just jumped on this bandwagon. I bought in at about like $5 and also like $7. When the price got to $7.27, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start my loan. I put $1,000 in there. Today I got my 2.4%. And that is, I also got a 0.1% bonus, which I'm gonna show you also in a minute. Currently the price is $9.77 according to this website, which the dashboard actually goes off of CoinMarketCap's pricing. Coinexchange.io is a little bit less, but that's where you're gonna buy it. See, buy your Lendconnect tokens. You buy it at coinexchange.io. All the links I'm talking about are gonna be in the description, by the way. But you go to CoinExchange, you buy the tokens, and you send it over here. Your lending wallet, well, your ETH/LCT. Okay, so this is where you're gonna send your LCT. This address here, not this one in particular, but the one that you get, and when you sign up, you're gonna send that LCT there. Make sure that you have at least 0.005 Ether in your Ethereum in your wallet. You can send that Ethereum to the same address that you get down here. I would send more than 0.005 if you think you'll ever send more LCT tokens to this platform, okay? Because it takes away every time. Minimum deposit is 1 LCT. It says please maintain a minimum balance of 0.005. So make sure you have that there. You can always withdraw your money as well here. Let's see here, lending wallet. So this is where you would do your reinvestments, okay? As you can see, I got $24 plus my bonus of 0.1. That was $1, so it came out to a total of $25. I reinvested it. My strategy for this is that I'm going to reinvest. So I'm in this plan right here, plan 2. You got 100 days that has to stay in. So for 60 days, I'm going to reinvest, and then for 40 days, I'll withdraw all my money. That way, I'll get my money, my profits. Plus, I'll get my money back in 100 days. The bonus that I get is the 0.1%, which you saw. That was that $1. This is for any loans between $1,000 and $14,999.99. Okay. Plan 1, you can do less than $1,000 if you want to. Your capital lock will be for 120 days, so for 4 months. And you won't get any bonus from it, but you'll still get that 2.1, 2.0, 2.4%, whatever percent the daily interest is you're gonna get. This is where you would put in how much you want to buy. You can click fill max to make it quick. That's the amount that I have left over in my account of LCT, 152 right there. That equates with 977 per coin. It equates to that amount right there. I can buy the contract, boom, it'll start, and then you can start collecting your interest. They're going to be having an internal exchange open up in less than 18 days. So that's coming as well. So you can do that on here if you'd like to. What else have I not gone through? We're going to run through everything, make sure you guys understand everything here. Okay. So they also have a referral program as well if you want to do referrals. This is my link. Hopefully you guys will decide to, jump on the bandwagon, and if you do, go ahead and click on my link. That'll be in the description below as well, and you can make commissions off of people as well. So that's a good thing. It's not like if you sign up under me, I'm taking away your money. They're just going to give me a bonus just for sending you. Let's see here, and that's with pretty much every website. So yeah, I mean, your LCT balance will be here, and it'll tell you, how much you have in LCT when you go to the lending tab here. So my balance is $14.92. If 977 changed, if the worth of this coin changed to like $20, this will be like double. So what you can do is you can hold on to your LCT until it doubles, and then you can put in a loan. And then from that point, if LCT decides to drop down to $2, you're good. Your money is you'll have that money that you locked in your contract with, and that's the amount you're going to be basing your daily interest on. So basically buy low and then lend high or sell high. You could sell it too. I mean, if this thing goes up to $20, I might only put in half of my balance in lending, take half of these coins and send them back over to coinexchange and cash out. It just depends on what you want to do. By the way, like I said, I'm not a professional, so this is all just like educational purposes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm glad you watched it. Thanks for your support. BTC and Ethereum donation addresses are in the description. If you guys decide to send me a little bit, that'd be great. I'm not a millionaire. I hope to be one soon. Hopefully you guys will be too with me. So this is my Lendconnect video. I just had a video about the space mining. If you want to watch that, go and check out the profile. The video will be there as well, okay? All right. Appreciate you guys. Crypto Yang Gang.